If you're moving from Reflection 14 to Reflection Desktop, you'll find that while many things are familiar, some have been improved, and a few others will be new to you. Let's take a glance at some of these. Reflection Desktop leverages many of the reliable, useful features of Reflection 14. You can still use main toolbars and menus if you choose to use a classic interface that is very similar to Reflection 14. You can use your old sessions with their custom settings, including keyboard maps and toolbars in Reflection Desktop. You can still record, edit, and create VBA macros. And you can run your old Reflection 14 VBA macros in Reflection Desktop. Reflection Desktop offers more options for setting up and displaying your sessions. Unlike in Reflection 14, where you configured all of your settings together, the Reflection application is configured separately from the sessions. You can open Reflection Desktop without opening a session. In the Workspace Settings window, you can set up Reflection's user interface, behavior, security features, and other global settings. After you open a session, you can configure the settings that apply only to that session, like keyboard maps, toolbars, and menus. Each session you open in Reflection Desktop has its own session settings, but all the sessions use the same global workspace settings. With Reflection Desktop, you only have to set the global workspace settings once, but you can still set up your sessions the way you want them. Reflection Desktop also offers a number of alternate interfaces. The ribbon is the default user interface. After you get used to the ribbon, you'll find that it's very flexible. You can minimize the ribbon by clicking a tab or using the ribbon context menu. If you don't want to use tabs, you can cascade sessions to run them side by side, vertically or horizontally. If you want to place two sessions side by side in separate ribbons so you can run them on separate monitors, just open the sessions from the Start menu. And if the Open Documents in Same Workspace option is unselected, you can do this from Desktop Shortcuts. Reflection Desktop also provides new tools to improve your efficiency for mapping keyboards, setting up themes that control look and feel options, and setting up menus and toolbars, or the ribbon. The Find button is replaced with Search. You'll need to use a ribbon to use this feature. You'll also find a number of features that you didn't have in Reflection 14. You can use productivity tools that are integrated with Microsoft Office tools like email or word processing documents. You can use a scratch pad to keep notes as you work on your sessions. And you can use quick pads to create buttons and other controls that can be used to access macros, host functions, commands, or other actions. Reflection Desktop also provides a number of actions that you can map keys to or UI controls to. If you're using the ribbon, you can easily add buttons to the Quick Access toolbar and map them to these actions. That's it for this video. For more information, see the links at the end of the video.